Hey everybody, Dr. Darryl Joffrey here. So today I just wanted to shoot a quick video to show you how I make my
video from Get Off Your Acid.
Yes, get off your acid. That's right, Brayden.
Get off your acid.
Here's our little alkaline water. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
I'm
making almond butter. Get off your acid.
Yeah, and say stay alkaline.
Stay alkaline, because if you stay alkaline, that means you're energized to play and run.
Yeah.
And be strong and have very strong pipes and muscles.
Strong pipes and muscles. That's right. So we're gonna make some raw almond butter so everyone can have a healthy almond butter, right?
Yeah.
All right.
And
So
if you eat almond butter, you can say, "Get off your acid."
acid, yes, get off your acid. All right. So let's show them what's in here, Brayden. We have 2 cups of raw almonds, and what we did was we got our almonds from a roadside stand in California.
Get off your acid.
Yes. So we know that they're not irradiated, they're not pasteurized.
They're not fish. They're not moving.
They're very healthy, okay?
See, they're not moving.
Now, what we also did was we soaked them overnight and we dehydrated them.
We have hydrated.
We did.
When we have hydrated, when we have almond butter, that will get. When you have.
They're dehydrated, right?
If you have. If you eat pancakes like the dirty stuff, food like Stitzer and
the dirty stuff.
And
yes, those are not good for you. All right, so Brayden, let's show them what we're gonna do here. So what we did was we soaked them.
If you eat avocados and strong lettuce, you need to get strong and from Get Off Your Acid.
That's right, buddy. Avocados and lettuce keep us strong. All right, so Brayden, I want to tell them what's in this. So what we did was we got almonds. We soaked them overnight, then we dehydrated them for 24 hours, and that makes them nice and crispy. All right, because if you use soggy almonds, they're not going to work for this. So we're going to use the food processor. So we're going to turn the food processor on, make a nice almond flour. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add some dates, some sea salt, and some medicine flour vanilla. I like this vanilla because it's a raw essential vanilla, very, very healthy, and it's a lot more concentrated. So, for instance, 2 drops of this, drops, not dropper, drops, will equal about half of a teaspoon. So this is what we like. All right, so we're going to turn this on. Brayden, hold your ears. Ready? Okay, so we just did that just to get a little bit of the almonds. Oh, I know, that was really loud. Now we're going to add in the rest of our ingredients, Brayden. So let's add in our salt.
Don't press the button.
No, we won't press it. Why don't you go in the room with Mommy while I press it for the second part, because I don't want your ears to get hurt, okay? And then I'll call you when the almond butter is ready. All right, so we're going to add in a bunch of drops of these just to make it a little vanilla-y taste. Okay, and again, remember those are very concentrated, so you don't need a lot. All right, so we have a couple things in there just to make it taste a little bit sweeter. So we have in a couple of dates, pitted dates. We have a few drops of the medicine flour vanilla added, about 8 drops or so, and then we added in about a half a teaspoon of real salt. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start this. The process takes about 8 to 9 minutes or so. You're going to notice that this, I'll stop it because I don't want to, for the essence of time and boredom, don't want you to have to see the whole thing. But when it gets, this is going to end up becoming a chunky ball. And then that ball, all of a sudden, is going to go poof, and the whole thing's just going to start to become a nice almond butter. So once I get to that stage where the ball has been made, because this is going to be going on for a few minutes, I'll turn this back on, and then you can see exactly what I do. So, all right, we're just about at that stage where we're getting that ball formed. It's been about 10 minutes. We're getting the nut butter on the side, and any second that thing is just going to become a big splat, and there it is. Now we have the almond butter up for you to see. That is a nice, fine consistency. That's right, Brayden. Thank you. Now I'm just doing a little bit longer to give us a little bit more of a finer consistency. You want to try the almond butter, honey? So if we open this up.
It's almond!
Take a look at that. Beautiful.
It's like a present. It's like Santa.
It is a present from Santa. So you can see how nice that is.
But we
You want to try it?
But if
Here.
we put,
You want to give a little taste test? Give a little taste test. Tell me how it is.
I like that so but
Oh, Brayden, can you try it for us and tell everyone how it is? Give us a try. Should I let Sprout try it?
I'll try it.
You want to try it? How is it?
Cool.
Give me thumbs up or thumbs down. Yeah, is that good or is that awesome? Alright, so here it is. So that's it, everybody. We have made almond butter successfully about 11 minutes. We have a nice consistency. I might do it for another minute longer just to give this, it'll become a little bit smoother. You can make this as smooth as you want. Alright, if you want it chunkier, you leave it as is now. Alright, but then another minute or two, you'll have a much more fun consistency. Hope that helps, everybody. Give me a post on your how it goes. Here is the finished product, everybody. Look and see how nice and smooth this is. You can still see the oils down here. I mean, this is going to be the best almond butter you've ever had. Again, just a couple of dates in there. We added a little vanilla from Medicine Flower, raw essential vanilla flavor, and we added some sea salt, half of a teaspoon. All right, and this is the finished product. So this is the way that we do it here. If you have any questions, please let me know. And if you have any other ways that you make it, I would love to hear some other ways. But remember, you can add some other stuff in this. You can add some cardamom or whatever spices you want. Jazz it up. In the past, I've added some cashews in it. I don't like to use cashews that often just because they tend to mold. I will tell you that if you add a little bit of cashews, it will be creamier a little bit faster. But again, if it's almonds, just wait a little bit longer and you'll get the consistency that we have right now. All right. Take care, everybody.